Hello, English learners. Welcome back. It's time for 50 more practical sentences for your everyday English. Listen closely and try to say each one out loud. Let's start. Health and fitness. I am going to the gym. I need to warm up first. I feel out of breath. I have a muscle cramp. I need to lose weight. I'm tracking my daily steps. Did you take your medicine? I need to get more sleep. I'm trying to reduce stress. Drink plenty of fluids. Household tasks. I need to fold the towels. The floor is dusty. I should change the sheets. The dishwasher is running. I need to organize the pantry. The fence needs painting. Did you lock the back door? I'm going to mow the lawn. Please clean up your room. I need a new vacuum cleaner. Money and financial talk. I have to pay the rent. Can I afford this? I need to save up for a car. I'm working on a tight budget. I need to deposit money. What is the interest rate? I have to check my balance. Is there a discount? I need to cancel the subscription. The price is too expensive. Certainty and doubt. I'm absolutely sure. I highly doubt that. There's no question about it. It's highly likely. I'm almost certain. I wouldn't bet on it. It's a possibility. We must verify the facts. That sounds convincing. I have full confidence. Simple communication. Who's calling, please? I'm having a bad connection. Hold on for a second. Can you hear me clearly? Speak a little louder. What number should I call? Text me the details. I'm leaving a voicemail. My battery died. I'll get back to you later. Excellent repetition. You've learned another 50 great phrases. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep learning English every day.